Okay, we are in Cana, Virginia today in the Devil's Den Nature Preserve. Just doing a short little mile hike total. Sweetest little yellow lab is our trail guide today. I saw the other comments on All Trails and they said this little guy will come hiking with you, and he sure does. This dog is cracking us up because we're just following him. He knows exactly where he's going, So it's been raining all morning, just like a light rain, but it's kind of stopped now. But we're in the forest and it's really cool right now. All the fog. It's really pretty. So we made it to the cave. Super cool. Videos do not do this place justice. All the pictures I saw on All Trails, it looks so tiny, and I was like, we'll go do it since it's a close hike, but really cool in person. I can't really get any closer to the edge. This is the very top. But I don't want to go sliding down, but really cool. Just finished the hike up. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit. Our new friend, he made it the whole way. Our next stop tomorrow is New River Gorge National Park. See you then.